Hello, welcome to Drop 25th. So scenes are very surreal, but we are like in the mid of the whole challenge of 1 year each week each drop. So it's like 25th drop. So seems kind of crazy, and we are like in approximately halfway through. Like if I consider 54 weeks, then it's like plus 2 weeks, plus two more weeks. But overall, we are like 25th video. So I thought this video I should make it really great, and also a very happy Independence Day to all of you guys. So this is quite an awesome day right now. Like we are very nearing to the month of September where we want to launch a product, and not a very aggressive launch, but definitely a soft launch. We want to do that, and we don't want to we want to make sure we are keeping our promises and that milestones as well. So overall, I think this video is like very exciting for me as well, like 25th drop and overall. So by the title also you might have judged, it's about Creatosaurus, it's about us, it's about our startup. So last week grading would be 3.75. I am like now like really recovered and back to my full potential of working. So last to the previous week were very bad and I improved upon myself. So last week is like 3.75 and really excited to move towards 4 in the coming week. My workout got stopped in the last of the previous week due to I was like sick and bedridden. But now again I'm back with my workout. All my day-to-day schedule and work and everything is like on full track. Everything is awesome. So work is going great. So gradings are improving. Next week I will really try to hit it for. So so pretty good on the personal side update. Now moving forward to the startup side update. Client side is hectic, but definitely less hectic than last to the previous week. So because last to the previous week was really very overloaded and very hectic for us internally and overall as a team as well. But now last week was quite smooth comparatively. But we are projecting that the coming week would make it much more easier, and moving forward to the next week, it will be again very back to normal and manageable everything. So currently all our efforts are going on the client side, like me and couple of other folks as well in the team, Vishal and Vaibhav. So we are trying to give as much as possible on the client side, overall trying to ban. And even though Mayur also is trying to give his effort on the client side as well. So all the team is working on so that is satisfied, because that is our sole bread and butter currently. So we are giving all our efforts there. But apart from that, whatever time we get, particularly I get some of half of my day or at night, or even though Mayur as well, then whatever the team we try to take out some time and we give on the product side. So product side is a good overall. We are trying to give as much as possible and getting those feedback. Currently, thode se feedbacks are on halt because we haven't been pushing updates that we are doing in our group, our WhatsApp group. But we really want to push forward in this coming week once again, because we are working on few things. And good thing is about that our startup like Creatosaurus is NASCOM 10,000 startups incubated. So for that we have some startup kits from their side. So we have credits on all different places, from hosting to payment gateway to all other different services that we need to build a product. So that is very great, because last 10 days we have been trying to collect all those credits and streamline this and optimize it. So we have received all those credits and this seems really great. So in the coming week, we'll try to optimize all those credits, and we are going to shift our infrastructure as well, overall whole product infrastructure to AWS and different microservices altogether. So a lot of crazy things there. So but really excited about the product taking shape. Like so that's exciting news. And we have added one more team member in the last week because Manav, our earlier intern, uska internship period khatam ho gaya, so he's off to back to his college again. So we have added one more team member, and eventually in the coming week we'll also add one more team member. So overall whole startup side update is really great and quite excited, and I think coming week may और ज़्यादा streamline होगा, and so that moving forward in the last half, like last 10 days or so, August ke would be very exciting for us. We'll be doing giving out to 250 plus folks, and that's really we want to do it. Last 2 months was about reach, at the end it was about reaching till 10 folks, and this month is about like 250 plus folks. So overall quite excited. Now moving to the challenge or the experiment part of this video, like book reading is quite upper niche. It's not going as I'm planning it, but I'm pretty sure that now I'm back to routine and healthy again and fit, so that I think I would be able to take some time out and go to my routine again. So overall that challenge is on hold, but other challenges are like all good, like pretty much on a comfortable level, like in between, not very excellent but not bad, like good. They are pretty good right now. So that's what my challenges goes about. And this week's experiment or ideas about our startup, like from the title you can see what's creators for us. We I wanted to make this video special to be like it's a 25th one, video drop. And moving forward in 2 weeks we'll be also doing a soft launch also. So what we do is, like, if you remember properly, then I think 5 weeks before I created a video about creators of tomorrow. And that's what we believe about, that a new professional role is going to get created, where these creators will be having a new role, where organizations would be hiring, specifically would be hiring creators, where they would be performing at the intersection of content, community, commerce and culture. And that's where they'll be having their own specific workflows, their needs and their wants. And we want to solve for that. We want to create an all-in-one creator stack, so that they can easily curate their ideas, filter their ideas, generate our marketing copies, design images, graphics online. You can also create your videos. You can schedule it out to your favorite social media platform. You can manage those accounts. So overall, a very optimized solution with plenty of apps to access, but which are very deeply integrated. All the systems have been built from the ground up, so that integrations is the primary focus for us, because we want to save time for the creators so that they can focus them more time on storytelling. And that's what we want to achieve with Creatosaurus. So Creatosaurus is all about an all-in-one creator stack. It's like overall, like, completely a suite of products for creators and for organizations as well. It's aimed at global creative individuals and companies with distributed teams. So this is what we are planning, and we are building it out and testing it out currently as well. And on the September we'll also try to do a soft launch as well. Definitely not aggressive, because currently everything is still unstable. So we'll do a soft launch as we have planned. So everything is really exciting. So this is who we are. If you guys are really excited about what we are doing and want to check it out and want to access it, then you can DM me. I'll be able to get you access it there by this month end also. So we are quite excited, and more new things are coming. We are improving the experience, we are improving the features and all sort of crazy stuff. We are talking to users, but you want to improve that on that front, really, like, push that boundary. So that's for August and September onwards. So the goal for August end is about to reaching 250 plus folks, and eventually September about up to 1000 to 2000 folks. So that's what we have planned, and let's see how that goes. So really excited and feeling really excited. Like, what you guys think about us, and what you can comment me, or you can share us, and you can let us know what you think and how we are doing it. So it's overall great, and hope so see you guys in the next one. And you guys are taking care of yourself and your loved ones, and keep hustling and stay safe. YOLO. Bye, take care.